Hello, beautiful people. It is Kenika. I'm popping back in with another video. So today I wanted to talk about the misconception that exists regarding portfolio and booking premium clients, right? So there's this misconception that you have to have a large portfolio, a large body of work as a professional organizer to be able to book premium clients. And when I say premium, we're talking about the high 4-figure, 5-figure price point for professional organizing services, right? And it's a misconception. That's not the truth, right? You don't have to have a large portfolio, meaning before and after work, videos, photos, the whole shebang to book clients who are going to be, happy to invest premium prices with you for your services, okay? I want to get that out, get it clear, get it, cleaned up. That's a misconception. Now, I think it exists because in our minds, no one's going to want to book our services if we can't show them the work. And to a certain extent, that is true, right? There is power behind having your transformations, right? And being able to showcase them. So power behind having before and after projects where the before was chaotic, it was cluttered, it was, not giving, and then the after being, like light and airy and fully decluttered and aesthetic and all that stuff. There's power in that. However, you don't have to have hundreds, thousands of those photos of those transformations for premium type clients to want to invest in your services, right? And so if that is a belief that you have, I want you to bury it. I need you to bury that belief. When I started my organizing company, there was this thought that I don't have any content to post, right? There's nothing for me to post. I haven't had any clients, don't have any before and afters to show. So I can't possibly book clients. I can't possibly book clients who are going to want to spend, $4, $5, $6, $7, $10,000 with me because there's no proof, right? There's no social proof. Okay, let's nip that in the bud. There is power in having before and afters. However, it is not the determining factor in being able to book premium clients, okay? And again, I want to be able to express to you why that is. So for one, like I said, if you don't have a large portfolio, you'll likely stall on posting content in general, right? In your mind, your mind is going to tell you, I don't have anything to post, so you're not going to post anything, right? So you'll tell yourself this over and over until you look at your account and you've gone weeks, months without posting content, right? That's a trap. I need you to avoid the trap, right? It's really, when you're thinking about booking premium clients, you have to be able to take them on a journey. I want to kind of explain buyer's journey. Buyer's journey is the process that a prospective client is going to go through as they are making decisions on if they need support, right? Buyer's journey goes through 3 phases. You have your awareness stage, you have your consideration stage, you have your decision stage, right? Your before and after transformations, videos, photos, that is only in the decision stage, right? That's your decision stage content, for instance. You still have awareness, you still have consideration, right? When I say decision-making stage and you're showcasing your before and afters, you're doing sales content. Like your before and after is like salesy content, right? Showing a beautiful transformation. You're kind of showcasing to them what the challenges were, and then how you were able to help that client get to the other side. That is transformative. It is selling, right? That's in the decision-making stage for that prospective buyer, okay? You are skipping content from 2 stages. You're skipping content from the awareness stage. You're skipping content from the consideration stage. So in your mind, when you're thinking, I have to have a large portfolio to showcase my content or showcase my work to book premium clients, you're only creating content for people who are in that decision-making stage. What about this gap? What about the people in the awareness stage? They need to figure out that they have a challenge or a problem, or that they have a goal for their home? What about the people who understand what their challenges are, what their goals are, but now they're trying to figure out what is the best solution for them? You're not creating content in here because you're only focused on creating content in that decision-making stage, right? Hopefully you can start to see you're creating a gap in your content. You're creating a structure where you're leaving a whole bunch of people in an area that you haven't even nurtured them in, right? The idea of a buyer's journey is that you are creating content in each stage, right, of the journey so that you can capture your audience, your prospective buyers at each stage of their buyer's journey to nurture them over time to get them to a decision, okay? When you're only focused on creating before and after content, you're missing people in the process, okay? So that's what I need you to do instead. I need you to really focus on how can you nurture people throughout all parts of this process, opposed to only focusing so heavily on creating before and after content and getting your portfolio to be large and trying to help people, convince people to book your services because you have beautiful before and afters, right? That's what I need you to do instead. And when you do that, the results that you're going to experience by closing the gap in your content and how you market is that you are going to be attracting people at different stages. You're going to be nurturing people at different stages in their buyer's journey. And that is how you're going to be able to book premium clients. Just the before and afters, like I said, it's good, it's helpful, it is helping you sell your services, but you're only able to sell your services to people who are already primed and ready to buy them, right? You're missing the entire buyer's journey, okay? When you get good at creating content, marketing your services that align to a journey that your prospective clients are 100% going through, you will see that you don't have now any challenges or as many challenges marketing your services, creating content in a way that aligns to your ideal person, organically attracting the right people to your services, people who are willing, not just people in general, but people who are willing to invest that 4-5 figure price tag with you. That's what's going to happen a year from now if you can really hone in on how to create content in a way that is going to nurture people throughout and not focusing so heavily on just your before and after content and building out such a massive portfolio. Again, contrary to what you may think, you do not need to have a large portfolio to book premium organizing clients. All right, beautiful people, I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.